Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm going to take the brand new Lectric Xpeak 2.0 out for a ride. I'm going to go meet my buddy Ron. He's down the road there somewhere. I'm probably going to catch up with him at his house. We're going to go for a little ride. I thought I'd take you along because I need to get this thing out on the road, see how it performs. So here we go. Yeah, really nice. Super nice day today. So it's been really cold here for a month, which is unusual for this part of Florida. Oh, I hear Ron talking to me in my head, so we're getting close enough. I'm talking to the camera, Ron. It is a beautiful day. Yeah, one of them. Let me adjust this seat real quick. Hi, lead the way.
Oh, you're the one.
Oh, heck no.
That's what you do to me all the time.
You know, I think this is my first ride in a month because I've been so sick.
Yeah.
I mean, other than just right there in front of the house, that's all I've been doing.
Well, you lead the way.
All right. My handlebars are a little crooked. I need to adjust them. Yeah, they're just a little bit off. Your helmet's low?
I might have left it on.
Oh, no. Well, if it shuts off, I won't have to listen to you. I'm feeling a little bit winded with this torque sensor. I need to get some mirrors on this one. There's a small section that I saw, just a small section where you're gonna have to be in the bike lane on the road, but just like a really short distance.
Oh, yeah.
And the rest, it looked like it was open, so we'll have to keep an eye on it because I'd like to take off that way and do a longer ride. We haven't done it in so long.
Yeah. We haven't done a breakfast ride either. The
First watch?
First watch.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Not much.
What I'm talking about. I said, that's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Well, it's gonna be it'll be a long, quiet ride home. Uh-oh. Your helmet just died. Now I can ride in peace. All right, guys, I can talk to the camera now because Ron's helmet just died. He forgot to charge it. So I got a peaceful ride. It's a beautiful day. You know, if you've been following the channel, I've been sick for like a month. So I haven't done a lot of videos, done a few. Feel miserable most days. I've been only getting a couple hours of sleep every night. Last night, I got almost 6 hours of sleep, so I feel great today. Feeling a lot better. It finally warmed up. The temperature has been unseasonably cold here. But temperature warmed up today, this afternoon, so it is beautiful out here. I'm just gonna go down this direction because we haven't gone in this direction in a long time because there's a lot of construction down here. And we've kind of stayed away from that mess. They're getting ready to, well, they are widening the road out here in a couple of places, but not this far up yet. I'm not sure when it starts up in this direction, but yeah, so we've kind of stayed away from it, but we're gonna go down here to the bridge, to this little park, check it out, because I haven't been down here in months. Hello, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hey.
It wasn't too friendly. All right, we got this pelican guy going on over here. Check him out. Yep. There he goes. It's rattling. It was vibrating and it rattled something. I don't know if it was the rack.
This side.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It looks like it's not quite center there. I may have to loosen that up and slide it over. But what was rattling so bad?
I don't know. I just heard it for a minute.
I wonder if it's maybe that or something. Something was vibrating real bad. Like tide is out.
It don't look like it's the rack. The luggage rack's holding.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Me? Just here? I don't remember this box being.
Oh yeah, it's been here. Yeah. Yep.
Nice little sandy beach over there.
It's only when I give it power and there's a lot of torque. It might be. Well, I didn't notice it earlier. It's only when I'm starting out. I'll just take care of it at home. It'll be all right till I get home.
The water's pretty low.
It is pretty low. All right, not much action here today.
No, there isn't. A little cool still.
For some people, maybe.
When you take a boat out, just watch the sandbars. It's a little shallow in some places.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
You end up having to push yourself off.
Oh no. Stuck on a sandbar. That's unfortunate. Yeah, what do you think?
Whatever.
Let's go.
You're my leader.
No, I'm not either.